office of president, that you will administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment, in conformity with the bylaws of NAR, NISAR, and the board, as well as its policy and procedures. That you will promote and support the realtor code of ethics, and that you will, in all your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner possible endeavor to promote, safeguard, and support the best interests and purposes of the Long Island Board of Realtors and the welfare of its members. Do you so subscribe?
I do.
All right, well, by the virtue of the authority conferred upon me, I do hereby proclaim you duly elected and officially installed and inaugurated as the President of the Long Island Board of